Hey guys, Luca here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a single, simple PDF into a money printing machine using AI at every step of the process. And I'm talking product research, funnel building, ad creation, everything done by AI, and scaled it up to 5 figures per week. No warehouse, no shipping, no inventory, and definitely no boring lecture about ChatGPT 101. We're doing real stuff here, and by the time you finish this video, you'll know how to take a single digital PDF file, something you could literally make in one afternoon, and set up to keep paying you over and over again while you sleep. Now make sure to watch until the end because I will be putting you onto an automated cheat code you can use to start a high-profit passive PDF business as soon as today. And it's so easy that anyone can do it, regardless of your experience level. So let's get straight into it. The very first thing I need is a product. But instead of thinking about some shiny gadget or the next Amazon trend, I'm thinking PDFs. Why? Because PDFs are timeless. They don't expire, they don't break, they don't need to be shipped, and the demand is infinite. People want knowledge. They want templates, guides, checklists, scripts, anything that saves them time or makes them money. And here's the crazy part. Finding the right PDF idea is the easiest step of the whole process because I just let AI do the heavy lifting for me. I run a simple prompt that I designed, my AI PDF research prompt, and you just feed ChatGPT this prompt. Your task is to identify highly profitable niches for selling simple digital PDFs online. Only return niches that are already proven and validated by real customer demand. A validated niche is defined as one where people are already spending significant amounts of money consistently every day. Do not return untested, speculative, or unsaturated ideas. Instead, focus on niches that already have strong existing markets, active buyers, and high search traffic. For each niche you find, provide the niche name, why it's validated, proof of strong demand, sales data, or high traffic, examples of popular products already selling in this niche, the estimated level of daily, weekly demand. Make sure your list is clear, concise, and practical, with at least 10 niches that can easily be turned into simple, high-value PDFs for sale. And instantly, I get a list of high-demand niches where people are already spending big money. No guessing, no hoping. These are validated markets, meaning real people are buying in these categories every single day. And I don't chase unsaturated ideas because that's a trap. If something is selling well already, that's proof. That's my green light. I don't care if people call it saturated, I call it validated. And that's exactly what we want. Now, once I've locked in the PDF idea, step 2 is building the system to actually sell it. And here's where most people completely screw up. They throw their PDF on Etsy or Gumroad with a basic description, cross their fingers, and then complain when no sales come in. That's not a business. That's a hope and a prayer. What you need is a funnel. A real funnel that builds trust, creates desire, and multiplies your average order value before the customer even gets to checkout. I use 4 key documents to write everything: research, avatar, offer brief, and belief shifts. With AI, I can generate these in minutes. These documents are like my cheat codes. They tell me who the customer is, what they're struggling with, what they believe right now, and what they need to believe in order to buy my PDF. And when you use AI properly, the copy practically writes itself. I can create hooks, headlines, stories, and offers that hit exactly where the pain points are. So imagine I'm selling a PDF like the ultimate freelance proposal template. My AI pulls thousands of reviews, comments, and questions from freelancers online and tells me exactly what frustrates them, like losing jobs because their proposals look amateur or wasting hours rewriting the same pitch. Boom. That's my angle. Instead of selling a PDF, I'm selling a solution to their biggest frustration. That's how you stand out, even if 100 other people are selling something similar. Next, I set up the funnel, and this is where AI becomes unfairly powerful. Instead of sending people straight to a boring product page that screams, "Buy my stuff," I use a pre-sell page, something that looks like an article or guide. It educates, it entertains, it hooks them in. AI can generate these pages on autopilot, but with the research I've already loaded, so it feels hyper-targeted. By the time they land on the actual order page, they're not cold strangers, they're warm, primed, and ready to buy. And here's the kicker, I don't stop at one PDF. With AI, I can instantly create bundles, upsells, and even membership offers. Someone buys my freelance PDF? Perfect. Now I offer them my 30-day client acquisition script as a one-time deal. If they say no, I hit them with a downsell, maybe a lighter version for half the price. Every step of the funnel is designed to multiply what I earn from each customer. That's how you turn a $9 PDF into a $50 average order value. And it doesn't stop there. Most people think once the sale is done, the money ends. Wrong. The thank you page is actually the most valuable real estate you own. That's where I put my next irresistible offer. It could be another PDF, a mini course, or even a simple subscription where they get new templates every month. With one extra step, I've doubled or tripled my profits. Now let's talk ads. This part scares people, but it's actually the easiest if you're smart. I don't start with expensive video ads, I start with static image ads. They're cheap to test, easy to make with AI, and brutally effective for finding the winning angle. I spy on what's already working, grab inspiration, and let AI create my own variations in seconds. I don't even need a designer. AI gives me scroll-stopping creatives with perfect copy and graphics that look like a pro made them. And when something hits, I scale it. Simple as that. So now we've got the PDF, the funnel, and the ads. That's the entire system. And the best part is it's infinitely repeatable. I can rinse and repeat this exact process in any niche I want. Fitness, business, parenting, relationships, side hustles, education. Every single one of them has buyers hungry for simple PDFs that save them time, money, or stress. And AI lets me build them faster than anyone else. This is literally how I scaled from 0 to 10,000 a day, starting with nothing but an idea for a PDF and a few AI prompts. And honestly, we're still just scratching the surface. I didn't even get into the crazy AI agent setups that automate the whole thing that's coming in another video. For now, if you just follow this exact blueprint, you can take a single PDF and build a real online income stream that doesn't depend on followers, doesn't depend on ads forever, and doesn't even require you to show your face. I know I've packed a ton into this video, but honestly, this is just scratching the surface. There are so many hidden stuff and insider tricks that we do for these simple PDFs to bring in these kinds of amounts monthly. And I can't really cover them in these videos, otherwise it would turn into a full-blown course. But here's the thing, I already built a private system called the Passive PDF Method. And inside, I walk you through everything step by step, and you can just copy exactly what we show you. From the PDFs to start selling right now, and how to sell them on autopilot over and over again without lifting a finger, creating content, or looking for buyers. You do not have to reinvent the wheel and grind your way up from scratch. There are no trophies for people that grinded the longest. You can just take the shortcut and get to where you want. So if you're watching this thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but I have no clue where to start, then that's exactly why I made the Passive PDF Method. Use the link down in the description or in the pinned comment. You can always watch my videos and implement all the info and value I share with you guys. There is nothing wrong with taking information, implementing, and figuring it out yourself. I encourage people to do this, because the ones who do are already way ahead of the 90% of people who never take action. But at the same time, if you want to skip all the initial groundwork and take a faster shortcut to passive money, then my Passive PDF Method system is for you. I take you into my back end and show you how I sell my own PDFs effortlessly online. It's like a crazy glitch with dollar signs coming in automatically every single day. All you have to do is just copy exactly what I show you, and you can have your own PDF system turned on and running passively while you live your life. With this system, everything is literally done for you. You just have to go in your own backend and push the button to turn it on. So if you really want to take action today, use the link in the description or in the pinned comment to get started. And remember, there are new people every single day implementing my Passive PDF Method strategy. I'm rooting for you, and see you on the other side. That's it, guys. One simple PDF, multiplied with AI, scaled into a system that prints while you sleep. If you got value from this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what type of PDF you'd sell if you started today. Until next time, stay legendary, and I'll see you soon.